All right, this is end of week 3, and this is the progress so far. Most of the lower desk is built. I've got to build drawer boxes and drawer fronts and do a little sanding on the top, and it'll be complete. Over there is the upper that I got to do quite a bit of work on. That'll have the cubbies in it, and the section in the center is where the monitor is going to go. And so that's not anything permanent. It's screwed together, but it's not glued or anything. So it's just temporary. So I got quite a bit of work to do on that. Also, I've been meaning to show you how this thing works. This is called a pocket cut, and you can see there's a screw in there. I've got a machine that does this. It's right over there. Portacable production pocket cutter, and I'll show you what it does. So basically, you take whatever you're working with. This just happens to be a piece of 7-ply birch ply board. You take whatever you're working with, put it in here like so, clamp it down. And it cuts the pocket. Got the pilot hole right there for your screw. It's the best thing that's been invented since sliced bread. It makes a very strong joint, and I would highly recommend it. You can also buy one of these. This is called the Craig pocket cutter. It does the same thing. It's practically the same thing. You clamp it onto a board like this. Put a clamp right there. Put this bit in your drill. It's got a stop on it, and it drills a hole that looks something similar. It's not quite that deep, and it's not quite that long, but it does a pretty good job too. I think, best I remember, this one right here is about 20 bucks. But you can get a double cutter and maybe even a triple cutter. I don't know. They've got several different ones on the market now, but I would highly recommend it for anybody in this here profession. Never leave home without it. But back over here, I've got all the cove mold on under the top. And it turned out great. All the baseboard is on. And I've got this keyboard shelf done, but I think I'm going to have to raise it up just a little bit. There's going to be a pencil drawer to go here. These two are file drawers, full extension slides. Actually, these are soft close, which means when the drawer closes, they will ease themselves back to the face frame. Like that. These will just be regular drawers. And I got a little bit of sanding to do on this. And I have to route the edge also. So that's pretty much it. Haven't got a whole lot done this week. But tomorrow night's Friday, and I'll be kicking it out here until probably 2 o'clock in the morning. And then hopefully all weekend, but I don't know. Still no luck on the time lapse. I've been sending emails and phone calls. They give me the runaround, so I'm getting tired of it. So I'm either gonna try to get it to work in Windows Movie Maker, which sucks, but you know, I'm at my ropes in. So if that doesn't work, I'm gonna end up buying something because I'm tired of screwing around. But with any luck, I'll have the first time lapse up within, I'd say, by the first of the week, middle of the week at the latest. So that's it for now, and I'll see you next week.